Welcome to Trade with Rob, brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. This update is for Friday, September 19, 2025. Hope you're having a great trading day. As we get started, keep in mind, everything we look at is for education. Nothing's meant to be advice or recommendations. So we're going to start off with candidates from yesterday's our last update, which was TRGP is the first one, right? And we're looking for the 17th, which is right here, one candle back on this one. The 18th is right there today. So we gapped down on the open and we ran up. So what did the intraday look like? So we had a nice little move up and a fail, but we didn't get up enough, right? We moved up, no retest in here. We moved up, retested very nicely there in the bounce. This candle was the entry into the trade. We took that entry on TRGP when the stock was at 164.70. We got out near the end of the day of 166 and a half. For $129.60, so not too bad. We'll take it. Next, so we had two of them go off. Was AVGO, Broadcom. Always be AVGO to me. Actually, my bad. ZS. Broadcom is the first one from today. So we're looking for the 17th, which was right here. So we want to find if we had a bearish trade set up in there. So that was yesterday, right? We gapped up, we ran to the upside, nothing. We broke, retested. We did okay here. Let's go look at a 1 minute candle, right? So we're looking here at 17th, right? We had a good fail, a retest, and a rollover. Not until this candle are we in this trade. So yes, trade taken on ZS, bearish trade, 281.20 is the entry this day, and 279.5 is the exit point. Gave us $122.40. So these two trades were from yesterday, 125 bucks each or so, give or take, a little bit less than our average. 17,980.56. One contract. This year alone on one contract, one trade setup. 59 winners, 7 went against us, no break evens. $272.43 on average for the 66 trades that we have taken this year. And you can see we've got 3 candidates up for today. Broadcom is the very first one. Well, actually, we're going to look at S&P 500 first, right? So now we're looking for the 18th. There we are. And what did we do? Not only did we hit it, we smashed through my 100 level, which I've had that out there now since back over here, which was in August. That line has been drawn, saying that we're going to hit it, and yesterday, day before, we got really close up there. As far as I'm concerned, we hit it. Today, we smashed right through it. Actually, closing, because we still have about 8 or 9 minutes left. Closing so far right near that 66.34 level. So very bullish on the markets, right? So we go and look at Broadcom, our very first one. You can see we've had a couple of other trades on Broadcom, some good, some bad. Last one we were down $585. So on Broadcom, where are we sitting? I like the upside potential first. So give me a small move up, a retest, and a bounce. Right? If it just moves up, it's kind of a breakout. It's not really a retest, right? There's the entry. Stop is down below the 345.75 somewhere. If resistance is at 369.75, my target's going to be about 367, 366, somewhere in that ballpark there. Yeah, we don't need to split that level. We're good. All right, for the downside, small move down, retest, and fail. All right, take the trade on the fail, stop just above the 345.75 in there. If support is at 331, my target's going to be about 333, 333. It's better than 666, right? It's half of, actually. But so I like Broadcom a lot. Next is Meta. We don't get a lot of these on Meta. A little more expensive company, but we don't get a lot of them. I like the upside better because we are a bullish bias right now. Break the 782 level, retest, and bounce. Take the trade off of the bounce. Stop down below 782. If resistance is at 796, my target is going to be about 790. It's 793, 792, somewhere in that range. For the downside, retest that 782, fail. Take the retest and fail. Stop on the other side. If support's at 765, my target's going to be about 768, 769, somewhere in that range there. Right? And last and certainly not least is TMO. TMO, I love the downside. The upside, not so much. But it's just based on access. So let's see what's happening here. Actually, we've closed a lot higher than we were earlier. It moved up in the last couple of minutes. So I would like to see this one pull down. Drawing tool back. Pull back. Retest that 473 and bounce. Take the trade off of the bounce. Stop's going to be down below. And we're going to have our resistance right about 480 and a half. Right? Which is where our 8 and 21 moving averages are. So take the trade off of the bounce. Resistance is at 480 and a half. My target's going to be about 478 and a half, 479, somewhere in that range. For the downside, fall down, retest, and drop. Take the trade off of there. Stop on the other side of the 473. If support's at 258, my target here is going to be about 261. 61. 461. Right? And there you have it, folks. So I've got 14 candidates today. I just went over 3 of them with you, which means there are 11 that you're not going to get to see, unless you're a subscriber. And if you are, it's free. If you're go over to tradewithrob.com, subscribe, just put your email address in there. You'll get an email that says, hey, the video is ready. Go watch the video. Here's all the candidates on the list. And by the way, here's pictures of every single chart with Rob's fibs on them, so you can see exactly where the targets will be based on the training, the hour-and-a-half long training that's in the members area of this free service. So take advantage of that. All right, with that, make it a profitable day. Stay focused on the quest to becoming a great trader. Keep crushing it. And remember, you're just one trade away. Take care. I'll see you at our next update. Bye for now.